Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to learn to trade the forex market in just 10 minutes. So I'm going to try to make this video as short as it can be so that you guys can be focused and be able to learn and understand how to trade the forex market in just 10 minutes. So without wasting much of your time, let's begin. By the way guys, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and also follow us on the Telegram channel where we provide updates on current price movement, and we also provide informative education on how to trade the forex market. So forex trading stands for foreign exchange. It involves changing currencies based on their fluctuation in price. Different news, economic factor, geopolitical event, monetary policy, and interest rates affect how price weigh against each other. How does forex trading work? We have to know that we have a total of about 28 major currencies, and currencies are traded in pair. For today, we are going to be looking at the Euro USD. Whenever you see a forex pair, it is written as the quote currency and the base currency. For example, Euro/USD, where Euro is the primary currency and then the USD is the secondary currency. If the secondary currency is stronger than the base currency, the price we buy, which invariably implies that if the secondary currency is stronger than the primary currency, price will sell. Weakness and strength are determined based on fundamental and not technical. Fundamental involves news and economic factors, while technical is when we are looking at the charts based on past data to determine future data. So in other words, you need both technical and fundamental analysis. You understand? So you can still trade the market based on what fundamental analysis without technical. You get? So, but you have to learn the both. So how do you get started with forex trading? To get started in forex trading, first thing you have to do is to learn to choose a broker. You're going to need a broker, and it's important to select a reliable forex broker and making sure to check if they have been regulated by the FCA, SEC, and many more. So you have to learn to check for reliable and trusted broker. You don't want to make profit and then the broker cannot pay you your money. But if you feel confident enough, you can actually use the broker provided in the link below. They are trusted and they are reliable. Secondly, you have a trading platform. You will be able to trade using the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. For me, I think I prefer MetaTrader 5 because it's very advanced and it has a lot of technical tools, and then you can close your trade, multiple trades all at once. So with that benefit, I think I prefer the MetaTrader 5. This allows you to send your trades into the forex market through your broker, and your broker is more or less like an intermediary between you and the forex market. How do you know what price will do? So for you to understand or know what price will do, you need technical analysis. This shows you price data and you make informed trading decisions based on that. Technical analysis. For technical analysis, you use TradingView. And TradingView, you see your chart patterns, your candlestick patterns, market structure, smart money, supply and demand, etc. So for you to know what price will do, you also consider fundamental analysis. For the fundamental analysis, it involves looking at news to make informed trading decisions because its currency pairs to fluctuate. Example of news event, we have the monetary policy, we have the CPI, we have the NFP, we have the GDP, which is the gross domestic product, etc. Forex Factory is a very good website Daily Forex is a good website, but I prefer Forex Factory. When can you trade? So when can you trade the Forex market? So the Forex market is typically open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Okay, so from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. For Saturday, Sunday, the market is closed, and then it opens on Sunday, on Sunday, and then from there it opened on Sunday around 10 p.m. London time. So we have different trading sessions, with the New York and London session having the highest volume, and we are going to pay attention to just 3 sessions. That's the Asian session, the London session, and the New York session. The New York session starts from 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. Okay, so for me, I actually trade the London session and then the New York section. So the next thing you're going to be looking at is the risk management. So risk management involves you actually managing your risks, and then calculating your risks, and then managing your risks, risking 1%, risking 10%, which actually determines on your trading psychology. Okay, so if for instance now I talk about the 10 trade rules, which for instance now let's say you have $1,000 and you separate that $1,000 into 10 trades. That means you have 10 opportunities to actually take that trade, and then you have an edge, which is probably like 70%. Okay, so you risk $100 10 times. Okay, so let's say probably you have a risk to reward ratio of 1:7, so or 1:4. Yeah, so you take 7 trades, and then you take 10 trades, then you lose probably 6. All right, so at the end of the day, you see that you're making money. All right, so the 10 trade rules is actually good, but if you try to stick to 1%, 1% is not going to fetch you anything reliable. Depends on the kind of capital you're actually using. Okay, for small account, you can actually do like 10%. All right, that would give you fast return, but for you to actually get around that, you need to have a specific set of skills. You have to master your entry and your exit technique. For me, I actually, for instance, now let's say I have $1,000. What I do is I deposit 100, okay, on that particular account. You understand, so that I'll be able to manage my psychology very well. So I risk the 100. If I lose, I deposit another 100. Okay, so that helps me to actually manage my psychology. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, endeavor to hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel for many more videos like this. Stay blessed, fam.